In this video, I'm gonna touch on what would be required to receive qualifications to become accountant in the UK. An accountant is financial professional responsible for managing and recording financial transactions, preparing financial statements, and providing financial information and analysis for individuals, business, or organizations. Accountants play a crucial role in helping business and individuals maintain accurate financial records, comply with the tax laws, and make informed decisions for organizations. Recording transactions. Accountants record all financial transactions, including income, expenses, purchases, and sales, in an accounting system of software. Financial reporting. They prepare financial statements, such as balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements, which provide an overview of any entity's financial position and performance. Tax compliance. Accountants help individuals and businesses comply with the tax laws by preparing and filing tax returns and providing advice on tax planning and deductions. I have spoke to so many different accountants so far. There are so many of them who are starting out, I guess, and who some of them working for different companies. I would highly recommend to interview. I don't know, since I started, I have interviewed perhaps 20, at least 20 different accountants. Not necessarily all of them knows what they're doing and what they're saying and perhaps how to support any businesses. From my understanding, most of them would most likely get me in trouble. The professionals, most likely myself as a business owner, would get me in trouble. And that's not something that I'm looking for. Once that's been said, audit support. In some cases, accountants assist in financial audits by providing documentations and explanations for auditors. Budgeting and forecasting. They assist in creating and managing budgets as well as forecasting future financial performance based on historical data and market trends. Financial analytics. Accountants analyze financial data to provide insights into an organization's financial health and performance. This information can help or to be used for decision making and strategy development. Financial advisory. Many accountants offer financial advisory services, helping clients make sound financial decisions, plan for the future, and achieve their financial goals. Compliance and regulations, especially if myself as a business owner, if I would be going worldwide at some point perhaps, not necessarily would be only operating with my business and my business model only domestically. I would need myself understand the different laws within different regions, and that would be perhaps, to say the least, federal government of US. That would be Europe, and how they operate in all the accountings, all the details and all the paperwork within Europe, as well as UK. So that means that there can be any mistakes made, to say the least, especially if you yourself need to understand everything, how all operations need to be handled within UK, to say that at least three regions to begin with, and all the compliance and regulations. And if someone as an accountant will try to get you in trouble, so how you can work with this kind of people, how can you do any business with them? Accountants stay up to date with accounting standards, financial regulations, and tax laws to ensure their clients and organizations are in compliance. So yourself, you will constantly need to oversee all the staff, including accountant, and everything what he's doing with regards to record keeping and some of the things that I have mentioned already. There are various types of accountants, each specialized in different areas, including Public accountants work for public accounting firms and provide services to a variety of clients, including business, nonprofits, and individuals. Management accountants or cost accountants focused on internal financial management within an organization, helping with budgeting, cost analysis, and decision making. Tax accountants specialize in tax law and assist clients with tax planning, preparation, and compliance. Auditors examine financial records and statements to ensure accuracy and compliance with accounting standards and regulations. Uh, Forensic accountants investigate financial discrepancies and frauds, often working with the law enforcement agencies and attorneys. Government accountants working in various government agencies, making public funds, managing public funds, and ensuring compliance with government financial regulations. Uh, I was looking at perhaps different way how I can understand accountancy myself a little bit better, and how I can fast track my own understanding when it comes to accounting, since I believe it's one of the key areas for any business owner to understand would be all the numbers and accounting, all the money coming in, coming out, and all the business operations. And there are so many things that to know. I was looking at perhaps how I can fast track my own understanding. Perhaps one of the ways how others can do it within UK, there are levels when it comes to accountancy. That would be perhaps fast track my own understanding to all the way to level 3. From level 3, I believe there might be a fastest route to do it. I was looking at chartered accountancy courses and how to do it. If that would be practice-based accountancy, I believe in when you are learning something to actually put into practice straight away. So when I was looking at it, it was about 150 days, as well as intense courses that you can do at the same time. So you are learning. So that would be technical learning from books, taking and doing different tasks, as well as actually putting all your knowledge into practice. Either that was 150 or so days, where would be perhaps some of those days class based as well as in practice based, with different perhaps accountancy firms that do offer these kind of services for everyone who is interested. That's perhaps one of the fastest way to receive all your qualifications and do accountancy, as perhaps do some of that for other businesses, and so you can understand a little bit better and progress, perhaps running your own business and be an accountant. I think one of the top business owners are accountants. That's my personal understanding, and overall the way how they are managing finance. You definitely need to, if not the most important, it's definitely up there to perhaps sales and overall accountancy. It's definitely one of those skills that everyone at the top need to understand, and from there you other skills is crucial as well, but that would be one of those areas. I have published a book. Name of the book is Game Strategy. I would highly recommend for everyone to read it. In the book, I'm sharing a lot of information that you would need to know before and after you have launched your business, and where to begin, how to think about some of the very complex strategies and ways of thinking and understanding. I'm using a lot of examples within every chapter. I'm using at least 3 examples, hopefully to make it clear as possible for anyone who is looking to start and run your own business. That would be different structures that everyone would need to know about it. You can find this book in the description below. If you would go there, it would lead to your company's website. You can purchase this book there, as well as the top retailers. Thank you. Just to summarize today's video with regards to accountancy and why that would be important for any business owner, that would be financial management, one of those areas that overall of finances when it comes to your business and how you're managing your finance, compliance with different regulations within whatever country you might be operating in, transparency, all the paperwork and how you're handling all the finances, tax compliance, overall decision making. One of those areas where I'm looking to concentrate, especially on this channel. Hopefully, you can learn from. I can fast track your own understanding, and I'm sharing a lot of videos where I'm trying to bring anyone up to speed with regards to finances and how finances work, and overall investor confidence, business growth, resource allocation and best use of your resources, as well as fraud prevention, economic stability, legal and ethical considerations when it comes to finance. Thanks everyone for watching, and let's see you in the next one.